Every good soup starts with good stock. Hello everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making chicken stock out of whole chicken, except chicken breast I will reserve. But the rest of the chicken I'll just make a beautiful, delicious, rich and tasty chicken stock. For the ingredients we need pretty simple: onion, carrots and celery. Regular onion with the skin I actually like. It creates nice and golden color of chicken stock, and those three ingredients called Mirepoix. And for the aromatics I'm using parsley stem, thyme, bay leaves, peppercorns, black peppercorns, and Celtic salt. That's all, very simple. But for this recipe it takes about 6 hours, anywhere between 5 and 10, it's fine. For chicken stock it takes a lot less cooking time compared to beef stock, and I hope you will check my recipe for beef stock. I will link below. Before we start, I would like to butcher this chicken so you can see how easy it can be done, and you don't need to worry about buy special chicken bones. So cut chicken right on middle where the bone is, kind of to separate two. Kind of fill your bones and go around. Now time and one is beautiful chicken breast is ready. Another beautiful chicken breast are ready. Remove meat from a chicken thigh. Cut where the joint, and chicken will kind of get separate. So we end up with having two beautiful breasts, skin on, and also boneless chicken thighs too, and we can use for different recipes. But for today we're making stock, so the all bones include 2 bones from a thigh going to the pot. And I forgot to mention, on beginning you have to wash and dry chicken. It's very important to wash chicken. Onion, like I mentioned, I do not like to peel. I like to keep skin. It provides nice, beautiful golden color. So for that reason we save skin and just cut roughly in quarters. Celery stalk. I never bought in my life even once chicken stock, and I always make. It's well worth it. It has so much flavor, and it's better for you because it doesn't have any additive ingredients, unnecessary ingredients. Parsley, thyme, bay leaf from my yard, from my garden, peppercorns, and some salt. That's it. Cover with water about 2 inches above the bones, cold water. So it's very important to add cold water about 2 inches above all bones and bring to simmer. As soon as you see start boiling water, as low as possible heat, and let simmer, uncover for several hours. I would say between 5 and 6. Let's do it. As soon as it starts boiling, it creates kind of foam, and we do not want, so we need to skim this much as possible. We don't want to leave any. It will create unclear, not that beautiful stock. So after you skim the foam, lower the heat, and let's cook for 5 hours at least if you want deep, rich, flavorful stock. It smells so good. As soon as you walk into the door, smells house. So homemade soup, homemade stock is nothing like you can buy. At this point, I would like to sift all bones and vegetables Slow simmer, it's the key for the clear, beautiful stock. Every good soup starts with good stock, and I hope you find this recipe helpful, and I hope you give it a try soon. And remember, for full recipe, I link always in my description. And also, please let me know what you think about in comments below, and share the recipe, my video, with your friends. So now, after all sifted, I like to actually reserve some of the pieces of meat, and it's perfect for chicken salad. I posted orally my chicken salad, how to make, so you can even make shortcuts and use this piece of meat for that chicken salad with cranberries and pecans. It's so delicious. The stock itself, I like to store in a glass jar in refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, which is very convenient, right? And the little fat that will be create on top, it actually protects from bad bacteria go through, so it stays longer, it's preserved that way. So another way what I like to do, I like to preserve in those small molds, silicone molds, and the way I did my beef stock, ginger puree, and many other recipes, I like to use it. And it's perfect, 1/4 cup, if I make some kind of sauce out of chicken stock. It's convenient, take just one thing from freezer and put your pan, and you immediately create beautiful, delicious pan sauce. I hope you enjoy this video and give it a try soon. Bye, see you next time.